Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by confirming the mouse is physically ready, cable seated, dongle inserted, or Bluetooth paired. Open Device Manager with Win+X, then M, and expand mice and other pointing devices. Once visible, click the problematic entry and read status or error code so you know the exact failure. If it shows unknown device, uninstall old driver from properties. If it lists an error code, jot it down. These specifics tell you which driver to replace and why the system rejects the current one. You now remove the suspect driver and replace it with the correct package. Right-click the device, choose Uninstall, and check Delete Driver Software if that option appears. Then unplug or disable the device briefly. Next, download the exact driver for your mouse model and operating system from the manufacturer. Once downloaded, choose Update Driver, browse My Computer, Let Me Pick, and point to the downloaded folder. Make sure to use the 64-bit versus 32-bit build that matches your OS so the kernel accepts it. You finish by restarting the PC so Windows registers the new driver and initializes the mouse. After reboot, confirm functionality and check Device Manager for a healthy status. If the error persists, run Windows Troubleshooter for hardware and devices or revert to a recent system restore point that had a working configuration. One key troubleshooting tip: test the mouse on another computer to rule out hardware failure, or install the generic HID-compliant driver temporarily to determine whether the issue is driver-specific or a physical fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.